If you watched my last couple of videos, you've seen some classic cocktails, and we're going to move into some Prohibition cocktails now. And this one is called the Mary Pickford. Mary Pickford was an actress in the 1920s. Like her husband was like BFS with Charlie Chaplin and stuff. She got won an Oscar for some movie where she probably played a child because she was like 30 years old playing the roles of children in movies. But she won an Academy Award in 1928. So some like famous Cuban bartender, can't remember his name. I'll put some stuff below if you're really that interested. Designed this cocktail. It's the same bartender who created the El Presidente. I do know that. So enough about that. Let's get making this cocktail. Because it's going to use one ingredient you'll probably never see me use again. Maybe, I don't know. But it is Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur. This is a very high carb liqueur. I'd call it high. 9 grams of carbs per ounce. But hear me out. This is going to have 6 drops. Through an eyedropper, 6 drops, and I measured that out, and the best I could, and I measured out in a 1/4 teaspoon. It was less than a 1/4 of a teaspoon. Now, let's just say it was a 1/4 of a teaspoon. I might even use a 1/4 teaspoon. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But a 1/4 teaspoon divided by 9 grams of carbs. Oh, wait a minute. I actually did math for once ahead of time. It is 0.0185 grams of carbs. 0.0185. And a 1/4 teaspoon, and we're actually using less than that. We're using 6 drops, which is about 1/8 of a teaspoon. I didn't have anything that small. My teaspoon stopped at a 1/4. So we'll be using this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is get a chilled cocktail glass. I forgot to put mine in the fridge. So show you how to make a chilled cocktail glass. You take some ice, put it in a glass, put it aside while you build everything else. So next, in your tin, we'll be using some rum. Now, light rum is what it calls for. Use your favorite light rum. I'm gonna probably shoot my rum videos until my black pearl's all gone. So we do 1.5 ounces of a light rum. There we go. Next, we're gonna go with some pineapple juice. If you watch some of my tiki and my tropical videos, Libby's light pineapple juice, 1.75 grams of carbs. We're doing 1 3/4 ounces. So that is 2.8 grams of carbs. So far, I really would only count that. So next, grenadine. Like Monin's pomegranate syrup is the best thing I've found to substitute grenadine. We do 1 bar spoon, which is about a teaspoon. And with this here, 0 carbs. Well, 0 net carbs actually. Next, our Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur. I'm gonna pour it in my 1/8 of an ounce. That is an 1/8 of an ounce, and I'm gonna use probably 1/8 of that. And my eyedropper, I just had it right here. So 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have our grenadine, we have our maraschino liqueur, we have our rum, we have our pineapple juice. So we're gonna put a little bit of ice in our weather shaker. Put all that together. Give it a nice, good shake. Right, in said chilled cocktail glass. We're gonna go ahead and double strain this because we're being fancy like that. A nice opaque pink color. These are some cocktail cherries I made. Now with this, when you make your own cocktail cherries, just add allulose, some rum, and throw some fresh cherries in it. You're gonna be 1 gram of carb per cherry. And there you have the Mary Pickford. Oh, that's really, really good. That's really good. It's the first time I've had it, actually, just because it's called for Maraschino liqueur, and that's so high in carbs. I have it because I was making some aviations one day, and not low carb, but they're yummy. But yeah, the Mary Pickford low carb version, light pineapple juice. You can use the Luxardo Maraschino liqueur because it's only 6 drops, and like I said, 0.0185 grams of carbs in your full quarter teaspoon, and we're using an 1/8. So cut that in half. That's too much math. My head hurts already from trying to do the math ahead of time. Subscribe to my channel. That helps me out, keeps me motivated to keep pushing out videos for you guys out there. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. With the Mary Pickford, my wife will be having a great day in a minute. See y'all later.